What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade chips. Let's check this out. We're going to grab a small piece of a wax paper, lay it down on the table. Then we're gonna grab a potato, cut it in half. Then we got this slicer, be careful, don't cut yourself. And then set it potato and then grab one of this and we're gonna slice it up. First we're gonna put bunch of oil on a plate and then we wanna spread it around all over the plate, so this way the chips not gonna get stuck. Then we're gonna grab our potatoes and lay them down. Then I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. Then we're going to put it in the microwave and set it for 3 minutes. It should take 3 or 4 minutes. Now look at these potato chips. Look at them. Just stir them over there and you got it. Look how nice they are and crisp. Make sure it might be too hot. Check this out. Give them a second to cool off and get crispy again, and look at this. Look how crispy they are. Awesome. Alright guys, that's pretty much it, and check out this chip, like look. Very crunchy and very delicious. Amazing. I'm gonna do them a lot. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thumbs up this video, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. By the way, subscribe to my second channel, links in description.